Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's tutorial, you will learn how to change keyboard layout in Windows 11. Click on Windows icon on the taskbar. The menu will pop up. Click on Settings. Select Time and Language from the left side list. Go to Language and Region. Go to the language that you need. Click on the three dots next to it. Choose the language options from the list. Go to Keyboards. Click on Add a keyboard. Select the keyboard that you need from the list. The keyboard will be added, and you will see all keyboards in the list below. You can also see all keyboard languages on the taskbar language panel. You can also delete the language that you don't need. Click on the three dots next to the keyboard and click on Remove. The keyboard will be deleted. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!